This is a used 2014 Nissan Murano. It's powered by all-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a continuously variable transmission. With fewer than 3,000 miles, this vehicle is like new. The features include leather seats, heated seats, a HomeLink system, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, memory seats, dual temperature controls, automatic climate control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, parking sensors, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.